Welcome to Tech Surgeon YT once again. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do video and audio calls on Twitter. Now, before we get on with the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and make sure to tap on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know if any new video is uploaded on this channel. So about 2 to 5 hours ago, Twitter just released a new feature where you can now do voice and video calls on the platform. Now, this is not currently available for Android users and it has been rolled out for some iOS users. But then if you still don't see this on your X application, all you're going to have to do is to go to your Apple App Store, or if you are like anticipating it being on the Android version, then you're going to have to go to the Google Play Store and then you're going to search for the X application. And then once you're on the X application, if you see an update button right there, then you just tap on the update button to update your application to the latest version, and then you should probably see that you've gotten the feature. If you have not, then you can be consistently checking the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then if there are any new updates, you just tap on that and then you probably get the feature. Now you can see right here, I do not have the update. All I have is an open button, and that's because my X application is on the latest version. So now for you to use this feature, all you have to do is open the X application. And then once you open the X application and you're on your feed, you're going to tap on the top left corner of your screen. That's your profile. Now, once you tap on that, you're going to come down to settings and support. And once you tap on settings and support, you go to settings and privacy. Now, on settings and privacy, you're going to see this tab that says privacy and safety. Now, you're going to tap on that and then you're going to tap on direct messages. Now, once you tap on direct messages, you can see the feature right here that says enable audio and video calling. Now, once this feature is toggled on, like you can see on my screen, it means your followers can call you on both audio and video calls, and you can call your followers if they have it enabled on audio and video calls. Now, if you don't want anybody to call you, like you want to block all calls, you're just going to tap on that and toggle that off. Now, I'm going to toggle that on, and then you can also see some pre-features under the enable audio and video calling feature. Now, you can see you can allow audio and video calls from people in your address book, meaning your contacts that you have as followers on Twitter can access you through audio and video calls. Then you can see down there people you follow. Now, everybody you follow will be able to call you, which I feel like is kind of an hassle. So you can just tap on the box right there with the check mark. So once you tap on that and then you cancel that feature, people you follow will not be able to call you anymore. Now you can see verified users right there. If you want only verified users to be able to call you, all you have to do is toggle that on, and then verified users will be able to call you. But then if you want to cancel this feature completely, all you have to do is tap on that green toggle up right there, and then you're going to completely cancel the feature. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope the video was very helpful to you guys. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure to tap on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know when a new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.